Know your coffee maker. Check if the parts are complete. Before first use, take out the water tank to remove the red rubber plug. Place the tank back. Fill the tank with clean water. Align the raised dots on the filter with the grooves on the funnel, then rotate to fix the filter. Press the power button to turn on. Place a container on drip plate. The machine enters preheating mode and the 4 indicators flash like breathing light. When the power, single and double cup indicators become solid, the preheating is finished. The machine enters standby mode. Press the double cup button, the indicator flashes and the water flows out. In the standby mode, rotate the knob to the O position to release the water from the steam wand. Note, you can use this function to prepare hot water to drink or to warm the cup. How to make coffee? Note, you can place the espresso cup on top tray in the meantime to warm it. Add coffee powder, 1 spoonful of ground coffee for single cup filter or 2 spoonfuls for double cup coffee filter. Use the other end of the scoop to tamp the coffee powder. Insert the funnel into the funnel bracket at the lock position. Then turn it anti-clockwise until it is at the closed position to fix it firmly. Place the warmed cup on the drip plate. Press the single or double cup button to start brewing, and you can press the corresponding button to stop the brewing anytime. Note, detach the funnels and filter and clean them. Remember to rinse the funnel brackets by pressing the single or double cup button. As for the capsule, press it into the capsule filter until pierced by the needle and close the lid. How to froth? Press the steam button to preheat. The steam indicator will flash like breathing light. When steam indicator becomes solid, the preheating is finished. Before frothing milk, slowly turn the knob to the on position to release steam for 10s until the steam becomes steady. Then turn off the knob. Immediately insert the steam wand into the milk about 20 millimeters deep. The steam wand arm is at 12 o'clock. The steam wand outlet is at 3 or 9 o'clock. Slowly turn the knob to the on position. Steam will come out from the steam outlet. The greater the rotation angle, the greater the pressure. When the required volume foam is reached, you can turn the knob off. Clean steam outlet with a thick and wet sponge immediately and turn on the knob again for a few seconds to discharge the residual foam. How to set the dispensing amount? Long press the corresponding button until the indicator flashes. Then press the button once to start brewing. When the desired amount is reached, press the button again to stop the dispensing. The settings will be saved for next operation. Simultaneously long press the single and double cup buttons. The 2 indicators flashes 3 times and the machine recovers the factory settings of dispensing amount. How to descale? Fill the tank with detergent solution. Put containers of 500 milliliters and 1 L respectively under the brewing head and the steam wand. In the standby mode, long press the steam button until the single and double cup indicators flash. The machine automatically performs descaling. After about 11 minutes of several cycles of brewing, the single and double cup indicators will flash faster. Immediately turn the knob to the on position to dispense water from the steam outlet. Reset the knob in 1 minute. One cycle of descaling is completed. To clean the residual solution and odors, it's recommended to repeat the above steps twice with clean water. Why can't my coffee steam come out? Use the thinner end of the cleaning pin to clean the filter. Use the thicker end to clean the steam wand. Release the steam for several seconds after every use.